Okay, I'm about to show you my personal 5 minutes scalping strategy. I'm not charging you for any courses. I'm just gonna show you the basically everything I do within the video. If you appreciate me making a video just like this, all you gotta do is like, share, subscribe. If you don't wanna bother looking at charts all day and you are willing to spend 50 bucks a month, which is probably less than the profit you make from one trade, uh, there's a cryptos group, signals group that I just joined a few days ago, that I just created a few days ago. You can join using the link in the description down below. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about some scalping that we've been interested in the last few days. So the way I trade crypto is based on RSI. You need a few things. You need TradingView paid, and the reason you want to do that is you want to have a lot of alerts, because our alerts are based on RSI, not on price. And this, and the second thing is you need two charts at least. I've got four because I've got the highest plan, but you need at least two charts. And I also want to mention, if you are interested in co-vesting, just copying other people's trades, sponsored by PrimeXBT, you can see them in the link down in the description down below. There's a 50% bonus that you can claim using my link in the description. There's a coupon, Dr. Niki 50. So whatever you deposit, they'll add 50% on top. So, for example, I've placed a lot of trades this morning, but we've also did some shorts, which is not that great. Because we are in an uptrend market, the first thing you want to do is define the trend. Are we going up or down? That's all we need. We don't even need these indicators, but if you want to add them, MTF, EMA, you can just go to indicators, type it in, and add them. And the way I have them set up is the first one has 1 hour 50, and the second one is 50 minutes 50. The second is green, the first is red. This is just to determine the trend. The next thing I do is I go on a 60-minute chart. I just chart every, or on the 5-minute chart works as well. Chart everything. Just chart basic support and resistance levels, so I can place, stop loss around them. This is the second thing I do. The next thing is I'll either open up a crypto screener or just look at all the futures that I can trade. And by the way, here is the moment that I gotta tell you that I'm sponsored by Bybit as well. By the way, I'm doing the World Series of Trading. I'm participating there as well. And the best place to trade futures is Binance and Bybit. I have links for both in the description down below. Bybit will give you 1 to 1.6 grand in bonuses. So if you're interested in that, check them as well. So you need to trade futures. That's what I do. Futures are very risky. Do that with your, do your own due diligence with trading them. But pretty much what happens is you would be interested in things that have low RSI, below 30, when BTC is below 30 as well. So you want to have Bitcoin always on the left side. And when you see a green candle kind of like this with some bullish momentum, this is a time where you want to enter trades on altcoins that have a similar pattern. For example, BAT, at this point I entered. BTT, what else did we enter? ENJ, I entered. BTS, I entered after this massive. And also, by the way, this dip is just because of futures issues with Binance. They're having some maintenance. So this was just liquidations. I entered. ANKR, I entered. So bought in like 5 or 6 trades. And I've got alarm set up basically around 65, 67 RSI. So when the price hits this RSI level, actually had it, I guess, it will alert me. I'll check my computer, and based on price action, sell. The same goes for shorting. You have your alert set at around 33 RSI on both BTC or the altcoin you're trading. So this is pretty much what I do. With these strategies, on some days I can find 40 trades. But yeah, again, you gotta trade on Binance or Bybit because they have the lowest fees for derivatives, for futures, and you need low fees when you're doing 40 trades a day. If the video helped you out, you know what to do. You can like, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.